going to do an activity on long vowel sound E. But before that, let's see which letter is this. This is the letter E and it makes a short sound E. And when two E's become friends, they make a long sound E. Let's revise their sounds. E, 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 E. Children, you should also remember that when two vowels are walking, the first one does the talking and the second one is silent. Now let's sing a song on long vowel sound E. Children, you also sing with me. E, B, E, E, B, E, tree, E, E, tree, E, teeth, E, E, teeth, E, green, E, E, green. Well done, kids. Now let's do an activity on long vowel sound. Children, let's do a word making activity today. Here I have some picture cards and on my right are some letter cards. Here is our first picture. What is this? This is a B. What is the beginning sound? B. Where can we find B? Here it is. B. E. Where is E? Here it is.
The.
E. B. Here is our next picture. What are these? These are feet. How many sounds are there in feet? E, T, feet. So there are 3 sounds. So the beginning sound is F. Where is? Here it is. E, T. Feet. The next picture is of a sheep. Sh, E, P. 3 sounds again. The beginning sound is sh. Where is it? Sh is a digraph. E, here it is. Sheep. Awesome. Here is our next picture. What is this? This is a tree. T, R, E. Tree. How many sounds can you hear? 3 sounds. So the beginning sound is E, tree. Here comes the next one. What is the boy doing? The boy is sleeping. So our word is sleep. The beginning sound is S. Where is S? right? No, this is not right. Why is this wrong? Because we hear the short sound e, and in the word sleep we hear the long sound e. Now let's replace the short sound e with the long sound e. Sleep. Is it correct now? Yes, now it is correct. Children, you can also do this word making activity.